Okay, Roland, what's that?
Okay,
You're so silly. Okay, look, what's that? What is it?
A loon.
A loon.
A loon.
A loon. What's that?
A hen.
A heron.
A duck. A duck.
That's right. Let's see what else. What's that?
Oh, you.
What's that?
Oh.
What's that, baby?
Goose.
That's a goose.
Goose.
What's this one?
A swan.
A swan. Very good.
Oh,
What's that?
a duck.
That's right. What? Let's see. Do you remember that one?
A seagull.
A seagull.
Seagull.
Ooh, do you remember these? What is that?
What that?
What is that?
Osprey.
Osprey. That's right.
Osprey.
Uh-huh. Do you remember that one?
Cars.
No, we're not going to watch Cars. Ooh, what's that one? What's that one?
Hawk.
A hawk. What does the hawk say?
A grouse.
A grouse. And what's this one?
A pheasant.
A grouse and a pheasant. What's that?
Pigeon poop.
Pigeon poop. What's this one?
A bobwhite.
A bobwhite. What's that?
A window.
A mourning
A
dove.
dove.
Uh-huh. And what's this one?
Dove.
Yeah, mourning dove. And what's this one?
A cuckoo.
That's right. What does the mourning dove say?
Cuckoo.
Well, yeah, the cuckoo says cuckoo,
Cuckoo.
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 What does the mourning dove say?
Cuckoo.
Yeah. What's that?
Owls.
Owls. That's right. We know owls.
That's owl.
Those are more owls. What's that one?
A whippoorwill.
A whippoorwill.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a nutbag. Ooh, what are these?
A hummingbird.
A hummingbird?
Kingfisher.
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 Does he have a fish in his beak? Yeah. What's that?
A woodpecker.
A woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Okay. Let's see. What's that? What's that? What's that one?
A purple martin.
A purple martin. What's that?
A crow.
A crow. What's that?
A blue jay.
A blue jay. Oh, do you remember this one?
A whippoorwill.
No. Do you remember this one?
A chickadee.
A chickadee. Chickadee-dee-dee.
Chickadee.
All right, I think we're almost done. What's that? What's that?
A bluebird.
A bluebird. And I think that's it. You did so good. Do you remember that one? That's a hard one.
A bird.
Well, yes, it is a bird. Oh, what's that one?
A cardinal.
A cardinal.
No one tail.
I think we're all done. Oh, do you remember this one? Do you remember? Do you remember that one, baby? That's the grackle.
Grackle.
Mm-hmm.
Grackle. Grackle.
Mm-hmm. All right. Good job, baby.